I'm sure we'll find a way to.
So I'm sure we'll find a way to make it more complicated than it needs to be.
Yeah. So we're gonna try and recreate this camp cake, because of course it is camp season after all. So we've got our graham crackers, some marshmallows, jelly beans,
Dun, dun, dun.
dun, 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 pretzels,
Hershey. Yes.
we're gonna make some trees,
With
we got
waffle cones.
chocolate, sprinkles, and some gummy worms, because it's camp, so.
Gotta have the worms.
And we like gummy worms. So you can start with the cones, and I'll start with the roundabout.
I can get these. There we go.
Woo! Let's see what we can do here.
All right. So
In the picture, they did have chocolate graham crackers, but I was unable to find those at the store.
okay. So what I'm gonna attempt to do, since we did not get enough icing, we're gonna coat these in chocolate and then sprinkle them. We'll see if it works. So we melted some chocolate.
We did already make the cake because I figured you guys didn't want to watch us bake a cake for 45 minutes. But this is a cake that's just from a box. It's nothing fancy.
It's a chocolate.
It's a chocolate cake with some frosting. I even bought green frosting, so I didn't even make the frosting green per se, but I did put it on the cake. Okay. I don't know what just happened, but it launched under the cake.
It's still
Okay.
in decent condition.
I have to make sure that we still are filming, and we are.
I think we can still use it. It's totally fine.
We totally can.
There's not chocolate everywhere. It's okay.
Charlie, where do you want the tent to be?
Centered? Or in the back?
Sure.
Maybe? Okay. So now that this is covered in chocolate,
I'll make the tent here. Maybe we can do the trees over there.
sure. Looks good. I'm gonna add some. Will you open the lid?
Yeah. Why don't I sprinkle while you hold
That
this?
sounds perfect.
I'm gonna go a little more over the vault, maybe.
We'll see what happens.
Ooh. The chocolate's they're a little more like an evergreen tree.
Yeah,
perhaps.
we did that on purpose. The kind that you see in the forest.
In the northern forest.
Beautiful.
Look at that.
Beautiful. All right, we're gonna plop this down somewhere.
Maybe go to the back. Cool. I'm gonna do it. There is like a little ring of sprinkles around the cake.
There we go. Let's see.
Yeah, this is actually harder than I thought it would be. Shocker, we. I guess I'll make the little sleeping bag.
Oh, cute.
Maybe I'll turn this so you guys can see it while you're frosting.
Go for it.
All
Let's
right.
see.
Oh, let me know when you're ready to sprinkle again.
We're almost to sprinkling.
Okay. We got a little.
Make sure this one doesn't dry.
Let me move the tent. Just a little bit. And that will. There we go. Now we got a little sleeping bag can go right there. This little chocolate for some glue
Why
here.
not?
little
It's a good glue.
Yeah. Okay. Are you ready?
I'm gonna start with some of these guys.
Okay. I'll have fun here too. The recipe calls for 1 pretzel, which I thought was really strange for the firewood. Let me turn this again so you guys can kind of see. I think we're doing a pretty good job here. It also called for like really specific colors of jelly beans, which I thought was kind of interesting too.
Red and orange and yellow? Is that what it calls for? Or just red and orange?
Yes,
We're
I want
fine.
to make sure we're still going here.
We've had some technical difficulties
had a lot
this camp season.
So, all right, I don't like cinnamon ones though, so but that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Thanks.
My hands are turning green.
That looks pretty good though.
I'll get this side.
The yellow one. That kind of like just a bright yellow one. Like it's a banana one.
Sure. Or is it lemon? Well, that one's probably, I don't know.
That looks like banana to me. But here's the orange one.
Whoopsies. Okay. All right.
That's a messy
tree number 2. It's gonna go right next to tree number 1.
That looks pretty good, I think. Don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. Kind of look like don't break it, don't break it, don't break it. Ooh, we're about to break it, girl. That's cool. Yeah, I'll move these over so they can see. I'll move the camera up here in a minute. Okay. Well, they did have a little flag. A little pink. Ours can be pink, right?
No. Maybe add another red or orange one.
There's like a light orange.
Oh yes, there you go.
And then they have a little flag. I don't know if you have a toothpick here in the kitchen, but yeah, can you just try to see if I can not break the pretzel?
What are the odds this comes off of my hand?
You kind of look like Elphaba from
Not mad about that.
Wicked.
I do like Wicked.
Okay, too. Okay. Also, the recipe also called for 1 gumdrop. This is a Betty Crocker recipe, and I really didn't feel the need to purchase 1 gumdrop, but
I'm okay with that decision.
there's our flag.
Yeah. What do we think? Does it look like a camping ground?
I think so. You want to come take a look?
Dun dun
Dun, dun, dun. Oh yeah, let's have some gummy worms
Let's see. Put a worm by the trees. I'm gonna put a worm in the tip. Worm roasting a marshmallow by the fire.
Yeah.
Some worms hanging out.
I think we did pretty good.
Yeah.
If y'all try this at home, send us your pictures on Instagram so we can see what you guys do with your nail it challenge. And we'll see you guys next week for Christmas in July.
Bye.